Imagine a creature, half human, half chimpanzee. Not a myth, not a sci-fi horror story, but a real scientific pursuit buried in classified documents, failed experiments, and whispers across generations. They called it the Humanzee, a controversial dream of blending species. And what if we told you it nearly happened? This is Unbelievable Files, and today we uncover the shocking truth about the human-chimp hybrid experiments, the science they tried to erase from history. 1. The origins. The story begins in the early 20th century, deep within the Soviet Union. He proposed something far more disturbing: inseminating female chimpanzees with human sperm. Ilya Ivanov, a Soviet biologist, was obsessed with creating hybrids. He had already crossbred zebras and donkeys. But then, his goal? To create a new species, possibly for labor, military use, or to disprove religion by showing humans were just animals. His files disappeared for decades. In 1926, Ivanov received funding from the Soviet government. He traveled to West Africa, performed experiments, but in none resulted in pregnancy. Later, he reportedly attempted to inseminate human women with chimpanzee sperm without consent. That project was shut down. Ivanov was arrested and died in exile. The rumors in America. One claim comes from a Florida research center where chimpanzees were allegedly used for secret hybridization projects. Records are scarce and possibly destroyed. But this wasn't just a Soviet obsession. In the 1920s and 30s, American scientists also entertained the idea. Rumors say a successful hybrid was born, but didn't survive long. These tales were dismissed as conspiracy theories, but leaked files, journal notes, and whistleblower testimonies say otherwise. The ethical nightmare. The problem wasn't just if it could be done. It was, should it be done? Hybridizing humans and chimps would raise terrifying questions. The official reason: organ growth research. Would it have human rights? Would it be intelligent? Would it suffer? Between two worlds. Scientists argued it was a line that should never be crossed. But not everyone agreed. The goal was medical, but critics warned, this is the start of something else. Even as recently as 2019, scientists from China and the US were caught creating human-monkey chimeras, blending human stem cells into monkey embryos. But many fear it's the same forbidden path. With new tools top four, modern genetic tools with CRISPR gene editing and stem cell breakthroughs, we're closer than ever to actually creating hybrids. In 2021, a paper published in Cell confirmed human cells were successfully grown in monkey embryos for up to 20 days. Are we trying to play God, or just unlocking a new level of biology? Some believe private labs, especially unregulated ones in certain countries, have already made progress and just haven't told the world yet. 5. What if it worked? Let's ask the real question. What if a Humanzee existed today, stronger than a human, smarter than a chimp, living in secret? Some conspiracy theories claim such hybrids have been used for military experiments underground, labor, even covert missions, while no evidence has been publicly verified. The science makes it possible, and that alone is terrifying. We may never know how close they got, but the fact these experiments even happened should make us pause. The Humanzee may be a scientific ghost, but the idea lives on in hidden labs, secret files, and the blurred ethics of genetic power. What do you think? Were these just failed experiments? Or were we closer to creating something unbelievable than we dare admit? Hit subscribe for more forbidden science, lost history, and unbelievable truths. This is Unbelievable Files.